In this video, you will learn how to find invalid clicks on Google Ads and stop them. First, sign in. Sign into your Google Ads account. Log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. Then, go to campaigns or ad groups. Click on campaigns or ad groups from the left-hand menu. Add. Click on the columns, then modify columns. Under the performance section, select invalid clicks or invalid click rate, then press apply. Now, you'll be able to see how many invalid clicks Google has detected. How to stop or reduce invalid clicks. First, use IP. Go to settings, then additional settings, then IP exclusions. Add to suspicious IP addresses that frequently click on your ads but never convert. Then, refine local targeting. Only target regions relevant to your business. Exclude regions where fraud activity is suspected. Use third-party tools to prevent click fraud. Consider use third-party apps such as ClickCease, ClickGuard or PPC Protection. These tools all offer real-time fraud detection and detailed reporting. Monitor high CTR and no conversions. Look out for keywords or placements that might get a high number of clicks but no conversions. This can indicate suspicious behaviour. Check for Google's automatic protection. Google will automatically detect or filter most of invalid clicks out, and you will not be charged for these. Any refunds will appear under Invalid Activity Adjustment in your billing section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.